Now we'll take a quick look at our pen tool and our highlighter tool. First, we're going to focus on the pen tool. As you can see, when you click the pen tool, you have your settings or your options wheel. You can use this gear icon to change the color, the opacity, and the size of your ink color. So here we have this turquoise color. We'll change the opacity so that it is completely solid, and we'll change the color to green. We can also change the size so it is very large, and you'll see there it's super large. So we'll change it back to a smaller pen, and there you have it. So you can adjust your pen size, and you can use the slider to adjust the pen size, or you can just click the pen size below that slider. You can change the color and the opacity for each of the selected preset 6 colors here, and you can change that size and opacity for each as well. So as you can see, we'll do that. And then we'll make this one a little bit more translucent. And we'll change the color to this orange, and we'll change the size there. So you can see with each of these, you are able to change the size and the opacity with each and every one of those colors. Next, we'll move on to the highlighter tool. I'll use the other portion of the screen here to show you the highlighter tool. With the highlighter tool, you have 5 preset colors. You also have the slider and the preset sizes. So here we have our yellow, so we'll highlight in yellow. Our pink, I'll make that a little bit larger, and you can see we have green, and a red, and a blue. And again, you can change those sizes. Also, a cool thing with these, if you go to the symbols tool and you click your shapes and you do a solid filled rectangle, you can highlight using that solid rectangle. You can also do the same thing with the triangle and the shapes and highlight using that triangle. Or you can also highlight using the circles. So there you have the pen and the highlighter tools, adjusting the settings for each of them so that we can clearly see the difference in our pen tool and our highlighter tool. I hope that was a helpful quick video. If you have any questions, we are here to help.